Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the app called Fit Workout. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. And it will open the list of workouts you can start. You can also tap on other workouts to open the whole list, and you have quite a few of them. Now find the workout you want to start, tap on it, then tap on the start workout button, and it will start the countdown, and after the countdown is done, the workout will start. And here we have the time, the amounts of calories burned, the heart rate, and the heart points. Some of the workouts have even more data, but that depending on the workout. And once you start the workout, you can keep doing it, and once you're done, you can tap on pause to pause it, and then if you want to completely end it, you can tap on end workout, or if you want to resume it, you can tap on play. Let's pause it and stop it completely. Once you stop the workout, you will see more data from your workout. Right here you have the heart rate zones, average heart rate, and stuff like that. And once you're done checking the data, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.